What's going on, guys? So I'm back today with my J3 Speed by JLB down here at the battlefield, the Antietam battlefield, and going to do some speed runs up here, see how it goes. Hadn't ran this thing in a while. Been quite a while. So I'm running 3S, and my battery's almost dead, and my transmitter. Woo! My batteries and my transmitter's almost dead. The thing's way too fast. She's crazy. Crazy fast, guys. Wow. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hey, it tumbled. It tumbled big time. Hopefully it'll be alright. Looks like it is. Yep. Man, love this thing. JLB J3 Speed. GearBest.com, guys. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to pick one of these up. GearBest.com. Can be used for off-road as well, but I have an off-road JLB, so I'm just using this one for road. Running 3S. And that's plenty of power for me. Another thing, it's got a switch for your lights. There they are. LED lights. This thing gets it, man. Wow, I don't want to hit that person's car over there. Woo! Amazing. Ooh. Woo. Love this thing, guys. Look at that. That thing's awesome. Oh my God, that's awesome. Woo! Easy, easy. Don't want to flip that thing and end up smashing inside that car, somebody's car. Ooh, that wouldn't be good. I can't get enough of this. Alright, guys. I just want to get a quick run. Got the wheelie bar. If you want to pull some wheelies, they pop them with no problem. All you gotta do is gun it. Wheelie. So cool. Alright guys, that's the JLB J3 Speed. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Super awesome car, man. Pick one of these up at gearbest.com if you're interested. Links in the description. And until next time guys, the RC Element